ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पतिवेधनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनादितो मुक्षीयमामुतः स्वाहा. Namaste to all. Extremely beautiful Veda mantra. Many times what happens in our life is due to office issues, professional problems, problems in business, or problems in our personal life. And sometimes what happens, no problems are there, but sometimes guests will come to our house. They are coming to our house after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, etc. Then suddenly we are in a steady spiritual path, but suddenly what happens, we have to leave our spirituality and take care of those issues or those relatives and friends. It happens practically in the Grahastha Ashrama when you live in the house. It happens many times that office issues, suddenly some crisis will come, somebody will resign, some problem will happen, and suddenly your mind will be focused on that, and we forget the purpose of our life. Many times this happens, and this happens to me also many times. So I was doing Swadhyaya of this mantra some couple of days back. One person had asked a question that how do I know, I understand, thanks for all your guidance, but I'm very confused and distracted and I'm not too sure what I have to do. So whenever we are not sure what we have to do, we must do Swadhyaya. And when somebody comes to our house or not, when the problems are there in the office or not, when the professional issues or business issues are there or not, we must not forget the Mukhya Vishaya of our life. Mukhya Vishaya, Gauna Vishaya. There are two things. Mukhya, what is important and what is not so important. Not so important are those things which are not so important, means which are just there for temporary time in this janma. Whichever is there only for this janma, they are not so important. Means giving more time to them, if you give more time to them, then we will forget the important thing. So when we give more time to important things, we can balance the not so important things. I'm not saying we must ignore not so important, because sometimes the body is there only for this janma. We cannot ignore the body. We cannot say that important thing is Paramatma, so I'm ignoring my health, I'm ignoring my body. No, body, although it is there only for this janma, but body is a sadhan. Body is a sadhan, our sharir is a sadhan for us to progress in spirituality. So in this case, the sharir also becomes important for us, although it is only temporary for this lifetime. On the other hand, corporate issues, professional issues, business issues, fight politics in the office, fight with the colleagues, or misunderstandings, or somebody comes to our house, we have to take care of them. All those things are not so important. When we have full focus on important Paramatma, not so important will be taken care by Paramatma's power also. My Acharya's experience, always my Acharya said, I always focused on what is so important in my life, and Paramatma took care of what is not so important for my life. So these are all learnings of great Rishi Munis, Tapasvis, which we must try to implement in our life. So why I chanted this mantra, I was reading this mantra, I remembered I also suddenly have got so much of stress in the office. So I suddenly remembered the stress is there in the office, but is it so important or it is not so important? What is important? The important thing is handling our mind towards Swadhyaya. That is important. Putting our mind in Swadhyaya and regaining or rejuvenating the Shraddha on Paramatma, thereby leaving every problem to Paramatma. Of course, working for that problem or confusion must happen, but we must not leave the spirituality. So today Paramatma guided me. I was reading this Veda mantra, extremely beautiful mantra. Paramatma says, Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati ji has beautifully written, Hum log jo sugandim pushtivardhanam. Paramatma is the one who is pushtivardhanam. शुद्ध गंध युक्त शरीर, आत्मा और समाज के बल को बढ़ाने वाला परमात्मा। शरीर का और आत्मा, आत्मा में जीवात्मा हियर, एंड समाज का, उनके बल को बढ़ाने वाला। ही इज द वन हु गिव्स स्ट्रेंथ टू आवर शरीर. He is the one who is giving strength to the Atma. What is the strength to the Atma? Strength to the Atma is the bhojan of Atma, which is Brahmodhanam, Brahma Vidya. Paramatma has given the knowledge of the Vedas for Atma, and Paramatma has created the food. He has created the ghee, doodh, makhan, malai, everything for the Sharir. Ghee, doodh, makhan, malai is not for Atma, it is for Sharir. So Paramatma has given both the things, Sharir, Atma और समाज के लिए. If our country is not safe, suppose if our country is ruled by a Chinese, country is ruled by a British, we will not have freedom to worship Paramatma. Chinese will say that you must become Nastik, you must become communist. British will say you must worship Jesus. If we are under the control of Pakistan, for example, or let's say Afghanistan or any other Muslim country, they'll say no, you must worship Allah. So Samaj ke bal bhi Samaj here in the sense our country is also important. So when we worship Paramatma, it will also help to strengthen our country. Today the problem, cockroach, Janata Party, this one, that Andolan, whatever is happening, Jantar Mantar struggle, students are having protest, Gen Z issues. The reality nobody knows. Modi supporters will say it is all cooked up by Congress, and Congress will say Modi, it is Modi's issue. Whatever may be the issue, I'm not going into that political thing. The thing is why we are having this commotion, confusion, this politics issue, this turbulence in our country, because we have left Paramatma. The very country which was Vishwaguru, the very country which was the land of Vedas, the eyesight of the entire world, Darshans. This is the country which gave Darshan Vidya to the world. This is the country which gave Upanishads to the world. In this country, there is no, vision. There is no proper governance in our country. See how, only reason is we left Paramatma. We left this Sugandim Pushti Vardhanam Paramatma. And Paramatma is Trayambakam, Rudra Roop. Maharishi writes, Rudra Roop Jagadishwar. So when we have problems in our life, when we have problems in our mind, वो आत्मा को बल देने वाला सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम को वी मस्ट डू यजामहे, निरंतर स्तुति करें. So Paramatma will give Shakti to our mind, Paramatma will give Shakti to our Atma, Paramatma will give Shakti to our Samaj. See, if suppose Modi becomes a Vedic ruler, he will not. But I'm just telling, I'm not supporter of Congress or BJP. I'm just telling, if suppose Modi becomes a Vedic ruler, if suppose Modi comes to an Acharya, or like my Acharya, he comes to my Acharya and says, I am surrendering myself to you, Acharya ji. Please teach me Vedas and please tell me how do I rule my country. Suppose Modi does this, for example. Then Paramatma will give Sharirik Bal, Atmik Bal and Samajik Bal to our country. The moment we do surrender to Paramatma, Paramatma will take care of us. Acharya will take care of us. That is important. So Trayambakam Yajamahe, us Rudra Roop. We see Paramatma is Rudra Roop because Paramatma rulane wala. Paramatma will not just like that simply sit. It appears to us that Paramatma is simply watching everything, he does not do anything. But Paramatma is Rudra Roop, rulane wala. When the time comes, my Acharya used to use a word, Chamdi udhe leta hai. He will tear off your skin. Paramatma is Rudra Swarup. He will not forgive you. Similarly, when the time comes, he will not remain silent. He will shower his blessings on you based on your previous karma. So Paramatma is Rudra. So Trayambakam Yajamahe, nirantar stuti kare. And when we do stuti, what happens? Inki kripa se urvarukam iva bandhanat. जैसे उर्वारुकम खरबूजा, जैसे खरबूज the karbuja, melon, musk melon, watermelon, the melons are there. Karbuja, urva rukhamiva. The melon, after it gets ripened, bandhanat, lata, it will come away from from its, the plant. It will come away. It will अपने आप it will get separated. लता के संबंध से छूट कर अमृत के तुल्य होता है. And when it is ripened and then gets separated, the melon, I don't know the English word is melon, but karbuja, you understand, right? When it is ripened, it will come away from it will cut off the connection from the plant or the tree or that, stem. And it will taste, when you eat that fruit or that vegetable, it will taste like Amrit. It will have lot of taste inside it. So we are praying to Paramatma here. अमृत के तुल्य होता है, वैसे हम लोग भी हे परमात्मा, सिमिलर टू दैट मृत्यु मुक्षीय. मृत्यु मीन्स प्राण व शरीर के वियोग से. मृत्यु ऑल्सो मीन्स इन वन ऑफ द मंत्रा, मृत्यु ऑल्सो मीन्स दुख. सो वी आर प्रेइंग टू परमात्मा, हम मृत्यु से छूट जावे. हे परमात्मा, मेक अस away from death, because death is dukkha. But on the other hand, छूट जावे अमृतात्मा. On the other hand, मोक्ष रूप सुख से श्रद्धा रहित कभी न होवे. This is the answer there. See, the problem is why we get deviated when somebody visits to our house or some problem happens, some business issue happens, some corporate issues happen, some politics happens, because श्रद्धा नहीं है. मोक्ष रूप सुख से श्रद्धा रहित होना चाहिए. बट वी डो नॉट हैव श्रद्धा ऑन मोक्ष. वी डू नॉट हैव श्रद्धा ऑन परमात्मा. वी डू नॉट हैव श्रद्धा ऑन आचार्य. वी डू नॉट हैव श्रद्धा ऑन वेदास. दैट्स द रीजन फॉर आवर दुक्खा. सो वी आर प्रेइंग टू परमात्मा, हे परमात्मा, यू आर द वन हु आर गिविंग द बल टू आवर बॉडी. You are the one who are giving to the ball to our Atma, ball to our society. And I am doing Nirantar Stuti of you. Hey Paramatma, please remove me Mukshiya Mrityuhu. Please remove me from Mrityu, but do not ever remove me from Amritat, from Moksh. Let me not become Shraddha Rahit from Moksha Roop Sukh. And also further the mantra says, Shraddha Rahit kabhi na hove tata sugandim pativedanam. Here pativedanam means acharya. People like acharya, like our own acharya or other acharyas, other Ved Vidwans, who will guide us. If there are any problems, they will guide us properly. Even if they do not have time, they will guide us through their pravachans. Suppose acharya do not have time to speak to you. Many times it happens, Acharya is in tapasya, he is writing book. He does not want to deviate his mind by spending time with you. Many times it happens. But what he does, when he does pravachan, he will give solutions in a marmic manner. So here praying to Paramatma, Sugandhim Pativedanam. रक्षा करने हारे स्वामी को देने वाले. रक्षा करने हारे स्वामी. This is Acharya. Acharya is the one who does raksha to us by giving Ved Vidya. And he is a Swami, usko dene wale. Paramatma is the one who gives us Acharya. My Acharya used to say, agar Ishwar Kripa hai, you can enter my gate. Not my gate, you can enter the ashram gate. If there is a Ishwar Kripa in your life, only Ishwar Kripa brings a person to an Acharya. So उस स्वामी को देने वाले परमात्मा. So we must remember that what is मुख्य कार्य in our life. The मुख्य कार्य in our life is Acharya. Going to Acharya, listening the Ved Vidya, reading his books, doing Swadhyaya. And actually here also I am reading an Acharya book. He is Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati. It's mentioned Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Swami को देने वाला भी परमात्मा. So because of Paramatma Kripa, I got this book. And if you have Paramatma Kripa, you will read such books written by Maharishi or Mayacharya or any other Acharya who is a Ved Vidwan. So उस आचार्य पतिवेदनम रक्षा करने हारे स्वामी को देने वाले त्रयंबक, who is giving Trayambakam. In the previous word, Trayambakam means Rudra Roop Paramatma, and here Trayambakam means Sabke Adhyaksh Jagadishwar. Trayambakam here means he is the president, he is the Malik of everyone. He is Rudra Roop and also he is the one who owns everything in this universe. Trayambakam Yajamahe. हम निरंतर सत्कार पूर्वक ध्यान करें. So the solution to our problem is when we start a nirantar stuti and nirantar dhyan of Paramatma every day without fail, whether our guest comes or not, whether the problem exists or not, whether anything happens in the office, anything happens in the business, do we leave eating food? No, we eat our food 3 times. Even the politics there, problem is there, somebody is coming or not, we eat 3 times or 2 times at least. Every day we take bath, whatever happens. Similarly, nirantar stuti karna chahiye, nirantar dhyan karna chahiye means every day, like we are eating food, like we are drinking water, like we are going to washroom, like we are doing our nitya karma. Similarly, Paramatma dhyan and upasana and stuti must be done without fail and with satkar purvak. See, the word used by Maharishi is satkar purvak. What is the meaning of satkar? Maharishi Vyas Muni has written the meaning of satkar. Shraddha se, brahmacharya se, tapasya se, vidya se. The meaning of satkar is these 4. We must have shraddha, we must have brahmacharya, we must have tapasya bhavana, and we must do tapasya, and we must do it with vidya bhavana. Means we must do it with a understanding that why I am doing upasana. So satkar purvak dhyan karna chahiye. Agar kiya hai, then what happens? इसके अनुग्रह से, परमात्मा के अनुग्रह से उर्वारुकमिव बंधनात्. Similarly, the melon, karbuja, after getting ripened, it moves itself from its mother plant or mother that stem or that branch. It moves outside and it becomes amrit ke saman mist hota hai. It becomes so sweet when you eat that kind of melon. It will be so sweet. Similarly, we are praying to Paramatma, Itaha Mukshiya is Sharir se, He Paramatma, similar to that melon which is moving out of that mother plant. Similarly, me as Jivatma should move out of this Sharir, Mukshiya, Chut Jave. Let me also move without any trouble. When I die, I should not have trouble. When I die, I should die peacefully. When I leave my body, I should not have worries in my mind. When I leave my body, I must live in peace, complete peace. For that, we must do whatever is mentioned in this mantra. Itaha mukshiya amutaha. But on the other hand, amutaha मोक्ष और अन्य जन्म के सुख और सत्य धर्म के फल से माँ पृथक न हो गए. See, let me come out of the body like the melon which is coming out of its plant. Let me also come out of my body without any problem. But on the other hand, let me never come out of moksha or thinking of moksha, and let me never come out of next janma sukha. Suppose we are not able to attain samadhi in this janma. Hey Paramatma, it's okay. I am doing my karma, I am doing my sadhana. In the next janma, I must believe that next janma exists. Shraddha hona chahiye. And I must believe that Paramatma will give me nyaya, and Paramatma will give me opportunity to do tapasya in the next janma also. Why? Because in this janma I am having Shraddha on Paramatma. Shuk or Satya Dharma say, and we must have Shraddha on Satya Dharma, which is Vedas. Hey Paramatma, let me never doubt Vedas. Let me never doubt any Rishi Munis. Many times, we will not get doubt on other books. We will never get doubt on Bible or Quran or any other books. We will get doubt on Vedas. Although we are a Vedic follower, we might, somebody will speak something on Quran and Bible, we'll accept that. But we'll have doubt on Acharya, we'll have doubt on Sri Krishna Maharaj, we'll have doubt on Sri Ramji, we'll have doubt on, Rishi Muni Tapasvi, we'll have doubt on Paramatma also. But we'll try to believe those books. Why? Because Shraddha nahi hai, Tapasya nahi hai, Vidya nahi hai, Brahmacharya nahi hai. That is the reason. Satkar nahi hai. When we do not have Satkar, and when we do not follow Paramatma daily, and when we do not do everyday dhyana, all these things will happen. Otherwise, what happens when we do these things properly, Paramatma will, the Shraddha will become increased in day by day, and we will have firm belief only on Vedas. We will know that all the other books are man-made. We will not waste time on reading those books or listening videos related to those books. We will know man-made, जाने दो, कोई बात नहीं. So when you have problems in your workplace, when you have problems in your society, in your family, somebody comes, somebody goes, whenever anything may happen, never leave the worship of Paramatma. इस मंत्र में उपमा अलंकार है. मनुष्य लोग ईश्वर को छोड़कर किसी का पूजा ना करें, क्योंकि वेद से अविहित और दुख रूप फल होने से परमात्मा से भिन्न दूसरे किसी की उपासना ना करनी चाहिए. लिविंग दिस परमात्मा हु इज मेंशन इन द वेदास, एंड बिकॉज when we leave this Paramatma and worship anybody else as Paramatma, it will give you dukkha. We must never leave this path, is what Maharishi has written in the Bhavarth. And further, जैसे खरबूजा फल लता में लगा हुआ अपने आप पककर समय के अनुसार लता से छूटकर सुंदर स्वादिष्ट हो जाता है, वैसे ही हम लोग पूर्ण आयु को भोगकर शरीर को छोड़ के मुक्ति को प्राप्त हो गए. To translate in English, beautifully written. To translate in English, similar to that melon which is ripened and then which is moving out of its mother plant automatically, similarly let me also attain 100 years of age or Purna Ayu, and let me also move out of this body आराम से without any trouble, and also मोक्ष, शरीर को छोड़ के मुक्ति को प्राप्त हो. Let me attain मोक्षा. कभी मोक्ष की प्राप्ति के लिए अनुष्ठान व परलोक की इच्छा से अलग न होवे. Let me not leave my अनुष्ठान even for a single day. Anushthan means Swadhyaya, Anushthan means Agnihotra, Anushthan means everyday Dhyana, Anushthan means whenever possible doing Yajna with Acharya, Anushthan means when following the Vedic Dharma in our life. These are all Anushtans. Let me not leave my Anushthan anytime, He Paramatma, and let me never have disbelief in the next Janma. Because next Janma is for sure 100%. The insect which is taking birth now, just an insect has taken a birth. If you try to beat that insect, it will fear and move away from that, because it knows it will die. And because that is showing the experience of death of that Jivatma. So next Janma is 100% will happen. Oh, where is it? I think the page is, wait 1 second, page has gone. Yeah, so here कभी मोक्ष की प्राप्ति के लिए अनुष्ठान व परलोक की इच्छा से अलग न होवे, और न कभी नास्तिक पक्ष को लेकर ईश्वर का अनादर भी करें. Let me not become Nastic by disbelief. Suddenly, dukkha is coming in my life. Then we say, no, Paramatma does not. I have been doing puja for so many years. Paramatma cannot exist. If Paramatma exists, I will not get any dukkha. This kind of thing we should not happen. This is called as Nastikta. Complete belief in Paramatma is Astikta. Complete Shraddha, faith on karma philosophy is Astikta. Let me not become Nastik, है Paramatma. लेकर ईश्वर का अनादर भी. जैसे व्यवहार के सुखों के लिए अन्न जल आदि की इच्छा करते हैं, वैसे ही हम लोग ईश्वर वेदोक्त धर्म और मुक्ति होने के लिए निरंतर श्रद्धा करें. See, similar to we desire for everyday eating, everyday sleeping, everyday sukh. We desire and we do everyday activities. Similarly, we must desire for Paramatma, Ishwar, Ved or Vedokta Dharma. We must desire for Moksha, we must desire for Paramatma, we must desire for Swadhyaya. This is the greatest advice for our life. Then we will clearly understand what is Mukhya, what is gone. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om, Om, Om.